good? It's your girl deja.zhane, and today I wanted to do a New York Fashion Week model inspired makeup look, and it's going to be relatively easy. The main focus of this look today will be the eyebrows and lips and somewhat the skin. I want it to look kind of like dewy, glowy. For today's eyebrow product, I'll be using, okay, I can't find the top, but this is the NYX eyebrow gel in the color Espresso, and I'll be using a angled brushed eyebrow spoolie thing. It's by Kiss. It's dirty. Don't judge me. First things first, I'm gonna take this Bamboo Fabulous hairspray, and you can use any hairspray that you have. This is the only one I own, so I'm gonna spray my spoolie. I'm gonna brush my eyebrow hairs like upwards. And use the hairspray sparingly because it gets really stiff. So now I'll be taking my that brow gel. I'm gonna put it on top of my Sasha Buttercup translucent powder. Okay, so now I'm just gonna work on the other eyebrow. So I have my brows on. They're very bushy, natural. I like how they're curved. So I have this inspirational picture from Pinterest. This one. I like how that looks. So I'm gonna recreate it. Alright, here we go. So I'm gonna take this reddish brown. I'm just gonna put it all over my eye. And she has hers kind of messy, kind of. I just want to put a little translucent powder right there. So I kind of want it a little sharp. I'm just gonna take the eyeshadow and kind of bring it in my eyebrow, like towards the front of my eye. And I'm literally only using like 2 eyeshadows. I'm gonna blot it a little bit because I feel like I applied too much, and I want this to be really light. To do up my face, I'm going to use this Mega Halo Glow by Wet n Wild. Okay, now that I've dewed up my face, I'm going to apply blush. applying this blush on my forehead. I'm gonna use this Almay eyeshadow. Now that I have my highlighter on, blush, I'm going to, spray my face again. I'm gonna put on a little eyeliner because I see that in the picture she has a little eyeliner on. I don't think she has eyeliner on, but I just think this will look cute with eyeliner, so I'm gonna put some on. Just kind of went back and added a little inner corner highlight. I couldn't resist. I just like it. I'm going to use two colors. I'm going to use the NYX Liquid Suede. It's called Oh, Put It On. Whatever that means. Soft matte lip cream in the color Copenhagen. Alrighty, I've applied my lipstick. I hope you all enjoyed this look. Cause I know what, I did. I do.
Try to move along, never looking back. You're gonna come around in time. I know.
So yeah, thank you all for watching. I really hope you all enjoyed it. This is a look. Very easy to achieve. I'll make sure all the products I use in the description bar down below. So just be on the lookout for that. And yeah. So just let me know what y'all want to see next. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.